Hello fellow Stephenians, we have prepared a series of video tutorials and instruction guides to help you transition and easily use our tools for online classes. In this video, we'll teach you how to log into your account and join your classes in Google Classroom. But before we proceed, please take note that for us to maximize the features of the G Suite applications, we must use Google Chrome. So if you don't have the most recent Google Chrome yet installed in your computer, a link where you can download the installer is available on the screen and also on the description below this YouTube video. If you're using a tablet or a phone, please download Classroom either at Google Play or iOS App Store. So let's begin. To log into your account, open your web browser, again preferably a Google Chrome, and go to accounts.google.com. If you already have a Gmail account, simply go to your Gmail and click your account photo at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. There you will have a display of all of your accounts installed or saved in your computer. Just at the bottom of your saved accounts, there is an Add Another Account link. Click that link and you'll be brought to this page. So on the box in the middle of your screen, type the email account that was provided by the school for you. For this demonstration, I'll be using the account stephenmartyr.stu@sshs.edu.ph. And so I assume that you've already activated your account and have changed your password. Click that, type in your password, and you will be brought to your Google Classroom. Once in, you'll either arrive at Google Classroom. You will be asked to choose which account you'll be using. Just make sure that the account is your official account and click continue. Then choose I am a student when you're asked to pick your role. If you come from Gmail, you'll arrive at your new Gmail account. If you come from Gmail, you'll arrive at your new Gmail account. Customary hint assistance will be shown to you, and so simply click the Got It button to tuck it away somewhere. Then go to the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. Then to the left of your account, there is a 9-dot button. Click it and select Classroom from among the apps. Once inside the Google Classroom, you'll see a writing on the wall of sorts on the upper right side of your classroom screen, instructing you where you could join a class. Click the plus sign above it, and Classroom will show you a small window where you can type the class code that your class advisor and subject teachers will provide. So type in your class code. Once done, click Join, and you will be brought to your class. That's how to sign into your account and join a class in Google Classroom. Thank you for watching. God bless. Stay safe.